Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is May 6, 2023, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the NASDAQ 100 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. Only a quick trade review, only a quick market review of what happened this past week and what I foresee in the future. No trade recommendations here, even if I do talk about trade levels and trade, trade strategies or anything around trading. Please do your own analysis, do your own research, and make your own decisions based on what you see. Okay, let's jump right over to the charts and let's get into this and see what we see out here this past week. Okay, big picture. I had these couple little lines is this gap right here. First of all, I was wondering if we're going to fill that gap, and look like yesterday they made sure they traded that gap and traded that gap well. So in my opinion, my expectation that the NASDAQ is finally ready to break that one little top and go a little bit higher. On the quarterly picture is this top. On the monthly picture, I'm looking for this top, and that's the same top that's here. Let's zoom on down in and take a quick look and see what's happening here a little bit closer, and then wrap this on up. On the quarterly chart, we're still green. We still haven't got above that 10 moving average, what we would like to see the market get above and all, but I still feel bullish when it comes to the NASDAQ. On the monthly chart, we are above that 10 moving average. On the monthly chart is the chart where technical traders say if we're above the 10, we're bullish. If we're below the 10, we are bearish. And right now we are getting kind of extended above that 10, the way we like the NASDAQ like doing. And I can see that right now. That's what I can say. I can see the NASDAQ now maybe is ready to go ahead and attack this 330 level and probably get up above this where's this pivot at? This pivot is at 340. See if we can get up to that quarterly pivot, that 340 quarterly pivot. Let's take a quick look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we can see how the NASDAQ was consolidating, tried to go higher. It actually dropped back down in last week a little bit, and by the end of the week, it was back near the top, and where it's looking like it's ready to break that high of this high right here. It has filled in this gap here really pretty good, filled all those orders that it needs to fill there. And sometimes you would get this thing where it maybe reverse back down, and we can get a little leg pull back down, then go up. But I'm bullish mindset. I expect this thing to at least go on up here to this monthly pivot right here, again around 326. The NASDAQ is not moving. It's right now, as we can see, it's been kind of taking its time the way it's been moving. We haven't got these big jumps off the bottom like we did there. We're at a top. So since we're at a top, it trades a little different. Trying to break out, it doesn't move as fast. That's why it's kind of nice to be able to identify these bottoms and see these bottoms when they're happening and trading this. And just now that if you're in there or you still have stuff left in there, you could have handled this little pullback, and you can still handle this little bit right here. And you don't mind selling, calls against whatever you're holding a little bit higher. Because again, you will be expecting a pullback, and before this thing maybe actually even go higher, and you're okay with that. Just one of my ways I look at the trading market. Right here is that this past week, this is now down on our daily chart. We were at a top. We formed a topping. Let me zoom in here a little bit where you get a better picture. We formed a topping pattern Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We formed the topping pattern, got a confirmation of that topping pattern, only went down one more day, and then we got a big reversal. Again, that pro gap, that pro reversal, where gives me the likelihood that we can maybe break these tops here, and actually go a little bit higher. But we have to kind of wait and see what's going to happen next week. That's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.